Hey guys, welcome back! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check if your eToro referral reward has been credited to your account. First, log into your eToro account. Once you're in, go to your portfolio. At the top menu, click on My Portfolio and then choose History. From the History screen, select Account Statement to see your full transaction history. Now, scroll through and look for entries labeled Promotion or Airdrop. That's where you'll see your referral reward. A couple of important things to know. Referral rewards don't appear instantly. Your friend needs to fully complete the requirements first. That usually means verifying their account and making their first deposit. After that, it can take a few days, sometimes up to 15 days, for the bonus to show in your account. Also keep in mind, referral bonuses aren't always available to every user, and each offer has its own terms and conditions. So make sure you check the details of the promotion you're using. And that's it, quick and easy. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides on eToro and investing apps, and drop a comment if you've successfully received your referral bonus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.